to run it up, yeah. And I got the big truck, yeah. Caught the Jazz 200 on the dash. I was speaking big facts. I ain't even signed a deal yet. I ain't even missed a meal yet. I'm eating good cause I'm still fat.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video with Lace by J5. It's been a while since we recorded, but we're trying to get back, uploading to our YouTube, bring you guys some fresh content. So today we have a fresh new project in the shop today. This is a 2022 Ford Mustang Mach-E, all electric Mustang. It's a pretty cool vehicle. This customer has been really happy with it. He's only had the car for about 2 weeks. And so the vehicle is in here to get a partial front end PPF, paint protection film, installed on it. We haven't brought you guys a lot of PPF content, so we'll try to get some of that in. We're doing more of those jobs now. PPF is not my favorite. I much prefer doing the color change wraps, but PPF does an excellent job of protecting your vehicle, and so it's definitely worth it, worth the investment, especially on a brand new vehicle like this one here. So along with the PPF, we're also gonna do a faux grille decal, which has been kind of popular with the Mach-E's. So we're gonna install a decal here on some printed vinyl that's gonna kind of mimic the look of a grille. And we're also gonna be tinting the tail lights on this one. So stay tuned, it should be a good one. We'll try to bring you as much content as we can. All right, guys, so here we're gonna do a quick rendering so we can show the client how the vehicle is gonna look once we're done. So we pull up our Mustang Mach-E, change the paint color to white, and then we cycle through some caliper options. This client liked the white caliper, so we'll stick with that. Next, we look at some aftermarket wheel choices just to get an idea of how the vehicle will look on a different set of aftermarket wheels. Then we move into the design studio where we're able to custom design and place that faux grille decal so we can get a view of exactly how that's going to look once we have that installed on the front bumper. We also noticed this one didn't have window tint all the way around, so we opted to show the client how it will look with all the windows tinted, including the windshield, as well as show him a few different shades of the tail light tint so that he can choose which one he liked. And then there we have the finished product. All right, so we've got Isaiah getting started on the tail light tint here. As you can see, we've got this particular kit broken down, or this particular tail light broken down into plotted pieces. Much easier to do it, gives us nice clean lines since we can cut them out on the plotter. And then all we have to do is lay them in place and squeeze them down. If you're gonna try to tint some of these yourself, I definitely recommend ordering one of these pre-cut kits offline. We actually use a pre-cut kit as a template to kind of create our own, tweak and create our own. But you can definitely just order one on Amazon, eBay, or various other sites and do it that way if you're going to do it yourself. Notice that he's taking his time to make sure he gets his placement right in the beginning. You don't want to rush through it. Make sure you get that lined up like you want it, and then everything else will kind of fall into place. Get you guys a close-up of that first piece. Now it's not quite 100% done. Isaiah's still gonna come back with some heat and lay down some of those edges that you may notice are kind of lifted still. All right, we're back. I tried to adjust the lighting for you guys so you can kind of see what's going on a little better. But as you can see, we've got that first light on the left done. All right, so Isaiah's got the tail lights all finished up. Nice and clean. We use a medium smoke Lux light wrap mid smoke on this. So there are lighter options and darker options as well. Customer didn't want them too black. or too dark. He just wanted to kind of smoke them out. He didn't like the clear look, so that's what we did. There's the other side over here. You can see they look a little bit darker when they're not in direct light, direct sunlight, you know. Overall, I think it was a good choice. So now we're gonna move on to the front. We're probably gonna start with this Grille decal. We'll set you guys up maybe for a time lapse so you can catch that.